Hi guys, I wanted to make a video how to calibrate your voice uh, on OBS Studio uh, when you are speaking through mic and how to calibrate your voice with optimal quality so that in game and when you shout it compresses your voice. When you speak softly, it elevates your voice. So I wanted to make that video for you and this is how you do it. What you need to do is first, if you have an NVIDIA card, you can go to this website called NVIDIA uh, Sound Effects. So you will get this first link. Here you have to download. For example, if you have 50 series cards, download this. If you have 40 series card, then download this. If you have 30 series card, then download this. I've downloaded. After download, just install it. Once it is installed, uh, go to your OBS studio. Go to your OBS studio, right? And what you have to do is click on mic and auxiliary. Go to go to filter, and there you will. When you click on plus sign, you will get NVIDIA audio effect like this on your screen. And just click on NVIDIA effect, audio effect, and choose this option: NVIDIA noise removal and room echo removal in your OBS. That will remove any kind of noise and room echo which is there, uh, and it works very good. uh, the next uh, the next calibration what you require is gain. Gain is see, when I speak, uh, it is going to yellow. It should not go to red, right? I'm speaking in my optimal voice and it is touching the yellow all the time. So you just increase it according to your voice, how modulated you are. And I have a hoarse voice, uh, so you need to pitch it a little bit more, and it should reach this yellow bar when you speak. This is how you get the gain. The next tool which you want to add is the expander. So the expander work is, for example, I'm speaking very softly right now, and expander can really enhance your voice when you are speaking softly in game. For example, while in a game you say, "Man, this guy sucks," or "Man, this guy sucks." So you just increase a little bit more, more and more and more output gain, and you see, even if I'm speaking softly, it is touching the it is touching the yellow bar, right? The other thing which you need to calibrate is your threshold. Okay, threshold is like when you speak with it softly, so it will go down. It will go down, and it will not move up. The work of compressor is when you shout, like I'm speaking very loudly right now. So OBS can control this shout so that it doesn't go on a red bar, and you increase the threshold to calibrate it. Because I'm talking in my optimal voice right now, and the yellow bar is touching. So you can increase your threshold a little bit more, so it will go up like this. Uh, again, this output gain you have to calibrate so that when you shout, it should not go on red. So when you shout, it should not go on red. It should not go on red. It should not go on red. All right. It should not go on red. So calibrate it and just click close. And check when you shout, your OBS will calibrate your voice uh, uh, And when you speak softly, then also it will calibrate your voice. Thank you. It's a simple tweak which can increase your mic capability and your streaming experience. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.